I'm Glenn.
And I'm KELLESE.
And first of all today, we thought about some technique stuff where we really think about getting that center point, the
cookie,
away from each other, which I refuse to say, getting it into that connected point. Now this is enough. It doesn't need to go running back and getting into that straight position. So whenever we get to that kind of four-ish, I'm already thinking connection in the hips, so we can start to play with what the other one might be doing. If she changes it, or if she doesn't, we're already finding it 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Cool? So that's what we kind of thought about at the beginning. Then the followers did this super fun thing on a sugar push.
I'll go this way.
Okay. They went 1, 2, 3 and 4. Tuck that left foot behind and. Now twist, 5. Now slide and. Now bring it in there. So we went 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Gather 1 into that. We did that in a sugar push. It went something like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1. Super cool. And see KELLESE's hips going away. Boom, boom, boom. There. Now leaders, we did on our 5 and 6, we went and, we sweep 5, then we ball change and 6. So in our sugar push went 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. In the sugar push it went like this. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Cool? Then we played with this opening up thing where we keep our frame and it swings open. There. I didn't talk about it in the class, but using my chest, so KELLESE goes, oh, which way is he looking? Where's he going? I'm really using that. Then I can come back to face her, where I open up. Now we played with keeping her on that foot, using this hand. Leverage, compression. So she can't get over that foot. If I let her get over, then she's going to start to step. And then we came out of it with that free spin. So we can do as many of these as we want. Hitting the music, then we come out, she steps, triple, triple, and then we come through, triple step, coming out. Cool? Then one last thing we just got asked to say, a follower can do my footwork as it were. We went 1, 2, 3, she can just sweep that foot, 5 and 6, and then do a cheat, or she can do the whole thing on the other side. 3 and 4 and sweep, ball, change, and she's good to go. And then we said for a leader's point of view, if we get into somewhere like this, we're here, and she doesn't do anything, I could even go click, click, slide, and bring her out of it. Some fun stuff like that, so start to use these moves all over.